Welcome to Gurukul Academy. The academy which provides best education, best facilities and best future designing. Here we are providing different printed notes of every subjects in each classes. We are having the library facilities also. We are having the 12 hours doubt solving classes where a student can contact the teachers anytime within 12 hours of their classes. We are having different branches in Indore. We are having the academic branch in Ratanbagh Colony. The second branch we are having for competitive classes at Kalani Square. And if we talk about the next facility that we are providing, that is our library, Gurukul Library, that is present near Sanidham Chora. हेलो एवरीवन, आपका स्वागत है गुरुकुल एकेडमी में। एक ऐसा संस्थान, एक ऐसा इंस्टीट्यूट जो बच्चे का बुकिश नॉलेज या इंटरनल नॉलेज के अलावा जो भी उसको एक्सटर्नल नॉलेज है जिसको हम और एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं, उसी के पीछे हम कार्यरत हैं। और हमारा उद्देश्य एक ऐसी संस्था बनाने का है जो बच्चों को परिपूर्ण तरीके से चीज़ें सिखाए, आगे उनके जीवन में उन्हें क्या करना है, किस फील्ड में जाना है, कैसे उस फील्ड में जाके अपना नाम रोशन करना है, अपने माता पिता का नाम रोशन करना है। ये सारी बातों का ध्यान रख के हम किसी भी बच्चे को हमारे इन संस्थान में एडमिशन देते हैं।
Hello everyone, myself Vinay Panchal, student of Gurukul Academy. I had recently passed out from class 10th ICSE board. I had scored high percentage from Gurukul Academy. Gurukul Academy has provided me a good faculty teacher, experienced teacher from here, and a printed notes are provided from Gurukul Academy. This academy had supported me a lot from passing out from ICSE board school. Our faculty, Aman sir, has helped us lot in different subjects and in maths subjects. Gurukul Academy has provided a printed notes which from where we get a 70% syllabus from that notes. That notes help us in our ICSE board exam. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Himanshi Prajapat, the student from Gurukul Academy. Last year I have passed out from 10th ICSE board and I have scored good marks in 10th class. This is because of the well-experienced teachers who have taught me from the Gurukul Academy and have they have given me very much support for my examinations. They provided me printed notes which were very beneficial, and the 75% of both questions were covered in the notes. So this is a very special thanks to Mr. Aman sir who have given me this much knowledge and helped me for my exams. Thank you.
My name is Preet Kumawat and I am from Gurukul Academy. And first of all, when I was finding for some academy or some tuitions, I got to know about the Gurukul Academy. I got to know that the staff, the faculty is very supportive. They really connect to each other, to the students by heartly. So I thought I should give a try. When I firstly joined, I thought that it was a regular. It will be a regular coaching, but by time I got to know that the coaching is very advanced. Here are some many external features. It is very ordinary features, and also I got improvement in my maths and all the subjects. The plus point is there is doubt searching classes, and it is very useful for us. And first of all, I was not very good at calculations and algebraic expressions, but the sir Aman sir helped me a lot. The faculty, the Mamta ma'am, all the teachers, they really helped me emotionally. They support me. I got many improvement in the studies. The studies is very good here, and this is not a regular type of coaching. It is ordinary, of course, and the studies are very good.
मेरा नाम भाविका चौधरी है। मैं 10th CBSE की छात्रा हूँ। गुरुकुल एकेडमी ज्वाइन करने से पहले मुझे मैथ, साइंस, सोशल इन सभी सब्जेक्ट्स में बहुत डिफ़िकल्टीज़ होती थी, बट जब से मैंने गुरुकुल एकेडमी ज्वाइन की है उसके बाद से मुझे इतनी डिफ़िकल्टीज़ नहीं होती है। एवरी डाउट बहुत अच्छी तरह से क्लियर करते हैं। स्पेशली अमन सर, उन्होंने मैथ्स में तो बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ाया है और हर क्वेश्चन को अच्छी तरह से एक्सप्लेन करते हैं। साइंस में भी हर चीज़ को अच्छे से एक एक टॉपिक को एक्सप्लेन किया जाता है, जिस कारण मुझे कोई भी डिफ़िकल्टी नहीं होती। थैंक यू।
मेरा नाम गार्गी जैन है। मैं क्लास 10th CBSE की स्टूडेंट हूँ और मुझे पढ़ाई में पहले बहुत वीक थी। अब यहाँ आकर मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं अच्छे से पढ़ने लगी हूँ। मेरे पेरेंट्स को भी मुझ में इम्प्रूवमेंट लग रहा है।
Good morning everyone. My name is Dhruv Singh Thakur and I've just cracked class 10 with some excellent percentages. For which I want to thank you Gurukul Academy and their teacher Aman sir and especially Mamta ma'am, which mostly helped me in my career guidance too. For which now I am also going to ahead to join or to give to appear in exam of civil services. For which I have joined there one more coaching institute, which is Gurukul IAS, which is also giving an absolute guidance for my future career. So I would like to thank them and also recommend you that you should join Gurukul, as the academic records is so supreme that you may join it, and how the teachers explain us was so well as they explain us as they were feeling or they were experiencing as a peak career. So please join Gurukul Academy. Thank you.
जीत तक जारी रखिए जय। गुरुकुल एकेडमी इस ध्येय वाक्य के साथ कार्यरत है। हम सदैव अपने छात्रों पर प्रगति की राह पर ले जाने हेतु वचनबद्ध हैं। हमारा प्रयास प्रत्येक छात्र को उसके निर्धारित लक्ष्य तक पहुंचाना है। आप सभी का स्वागत है गुरुकुल एकेडमी में। धन्यवाद।
Join Gurukul Academy.
Join Gurukul